Okay, pleasant greetings to the entirety of the community. For those of us who do not know, I just want to show you how to bring out the Polygon network on your Trust wallet. So first and foremost, you go to your Trust wallet, you click on it. After you've clicked on it, you actually come to the top right corner. You click on these two arrows pointing in opposite direction. When you click on it, it actually brings out the current wallet addresses that you have on your Trust wallet, and then you come to search token above. You see where it's written search token above, and you type in Polygon. So of course, you see it has brought out different Polygon, but then of course the one we're going for is the one at the top. The one at the top where you see Polygon Matic with this logo that actually looks like a sign of 8. So of course you come here and you on it. You put it on, and then of course once you put it on, here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And of course it appears on your wallet, so you can see it. I'm back to normal. This is actually my wallet, and then of course this is actually the Polygon. And ladies and gentlemen, you are good to go. So of course the next thing would be to copy your wallet address and of course use it for your transaction. I hope this video actually meets somebody well. I hope it informs you, and I hope it helps you to make the right decision so that at the end of the day you can buy your own C250 gold and of course continue the financial boom that we're about to experience in our community. See you in my next update.